Can you imagine how cool it would be if we could, say, make bacteria that decompose plastic? Or have glow-in-the-dark plants to replace lamps? Enter synthetic biology. Synthetic biology helps us combine the glow-in-the-dark properties of fireflies with plants found in your house for an eco-friendly alternative to light bulbs. If you want to know how we can do this, keep watching.
For the past few decades, scientists and engineers have been trying to pick apart the components that make up biological systems in order to put them together to make new systems of their own. Kind of like breaking your phone apart in order to customize it. But biological systems are super complex. Take our own body for example. It's made up of millions of cells of many different kinds too. Nerve cells, blood cells, skin cells, they all look and behave differently from one another. Even plants are made up of cells, very different from ours. Now, is there something common to every cell?
Within every cell, whether it be a human cell, elephant cell, or bacterial cell, we find a rather complicated looking molecule called DNA. DNA is a code present in every cell of your body. It tells your body what to do, what color your eyes should be, or how your stomach should digest your food. It is made up of 4 bases, which when combined in different orders codes for different things. Just like how your name identifies you, each combination of these 4 bases spells out one gene, or one instruction for your body. Your cells read these instructions to create proteins, which help them live and function properly. Biology is complex. Scientists have to spend huge amounts of time understanding the components of DNA and its impact on biological systems. But after solidifying our understanding of DNA, biology seemed to make a little more sense.
Alright, so we understand DNA and how it plays an indispensable role in living organisms. But what now? What can we do with this information? Did we just learn this to accumulate knowledge? Or can we make something of it? Enter engineering, manipulation, breaking down and rebuilding, building from scratch. All of these things have entered the biological scene. But it was still a mess. Researchers spent days and nights trying to cut sequences from one organism and inserting it into another, creating their own sequences inspired from animals and learning all sorts of things related to DNA and genetic engineering. But it didn't always work out. Because biological systems are so complex, cutting and pasting a gene from one organism to another could mess everything up. Many of the organisms even died at the beginning. Scientists have recently built knowledge of a few standard parts, which are genes which we have studied extensively. We understand these better and can get more consistent results using them.
The introduction of BIOBRICKs is an iconic example of standardization. BIOBRICKs are like Legos. They're the building blocks of synthetic biology. They're standard parts that can be put together to form complex systems. Just like how a simple electrical circuit can be made using batteries and resistors, genetic circuits can be put together using BIOBRICKs. These circuits can then be inserted into cells to control how they function.
Synthetic biology has moved a long way, and it will keep progressing over the years. As of today, if you want to realize experiments like the examples mentioned in this video, all you would need to do is find the appropriate DNA sequence or a BIOBRICK and order it online. It's as simple as ordering from Amazon. Identify the genes responsible for making fireflies glow in the dark, order them from the registry, insert it into the plant's DNA, and now you have a glow-in-the-dark plant.
For the past 8 years, there has been one international venue where science enthusiasts at high school, undergraduate and graduate levels use synthetic biology to solve regional problems. We are one such group of students, Team iGEM IISER Pune, and this is SynBio 101.